Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database. I believe I have found something that's kind of interesting about Trump. Did you know there's a statue in Thailand that looks just like him? Can you see that? He's putting a gold robe on the special, unique Buddha. And look at that. Do you see a similarity between the Buddha and Trump? Now, this was sent to me from a friend of mine, and he was just visiting a temple called Wat Phra Dhamma Temple. And I said that wrong. Anyway, he was visiting the temple, sent me a little shot of the area, and I made it into a GIF so you can see the most significant part that just stood out. He didn't notice it, but I noticed it right away as soon as I saw it. And I was just kind of blown away. I mean, there are people in Thailand worshiping the likeness of Trump. And the strange thing about this is, I haven't hit the strange thing yet. The strange thing about this is that the people over there, they have a temple that looks like a UFO. It's true. The temple is unique and a little odd, but definitely cool looking. Now let me show you that to you. Here is the temple itself. And it's just, wow. It's just incredible, isn't it? It's like a mothership landed on top of the temple and became the temple itself. Now, let's look back at this again and look at a close-up of this. Here is a close-up. Here is the original I turned into a gift. Now, look at the similarities here. You can see the Trump hair on it, the grimace on his face every time he sends a misspelled tweet. Been there, done that. And it just looks like, 24 karat gold all over the place. He loves 24 karat gold. He loves everything's 24 karat gold in his airplane, and that's why he takes his airplane more than he takes Air Force One. Can you blame him when you have a palace that flies? But look at this. Look at this. It just looks like him, doesn't it? Now, I know people are going to say, Scott, you're reaching. You're just reaching. Well, maybe I am reaching a little bit. But what I'm showing you here is that it looks like to me, like this is the likeness of Trump. Now, I don't have any political views on this at all. I just think it's unique. It's kind of cool. Kind of weird, kind of awesome. Who wouldn't want to have a worshipped icon of them somewhere that looks just like them? Kind of neat that there's a coincidence. There's a doppelganger for each of us somewhere out there. But for him, his doppelganger is a Buddha statue in Thailand at a temple that looks like a giant UFO. Now that is cool and a little strange, and a little creepy, and a little cool. Tell me your thoughts about this video, and like and subscribe. I'm just reporting what I saw, the similarities I found. It's just incredibly unique. Don't you think this is a little bit too much of a coincidence to be just a coincidence? It looks like it could have been done on purpose. Do these people worship him? Do they admire him? Why isn't Obama there? Shouldn't Obama be there? I don't know, guys. This is just very, very strange. I mean, if you got a Trump, shouldn't you have all the other presidents back here lined up, 24 karat gold with golden robes? But the others don't have golden robes. Note the orange robe over here, this Buddha over here has. And the other one over here has a light colored robe, also cotton, probably a nice weave, who knows. But it still doesn't seem to have those 20, see the orange? But this one, the Trump one, gets 24 karat gold robe. I mean, is like, well, a god. Look at that. This statue is like treated like the main god of all the gods up there, of all the Buddhas. And many religions do have different kinds of Buddha: happy Buddha, angry Buddha, money Buddha, all the different things. I don't know Thailand though, so maybe you can update me about that a little bit. But to me, it looks like Trump. Okay, like and subscribe. I'll make more videos for you very soon. Tell me in comments below what you think.